All right, so using the ComfyUI Manager on macOS. A lot of people struggle with the ComfyUI Manager on the desktop versions of ComfyUI. And what I mean there is if you download it for Windows or download for Mac, the manager is not the same as the manager that you're getting when you're installing the portable version from GitHub. So on ComfyUI, the manager is this little puzzle icon here. And perhaps that icon will change in the future because ComfyUI is changing every 2 weeks. Something changes. The icons change, the text changes, the locations changes. But anyway, right now, if I hover over it, it says Custom Nodes Manager. So if there's an icon there that doesn't look like that, hover over it, maybe it'll say Custom Nodes Manager. So click that. That is the manager on the desktop versions of ComfyUI. One other thing too is the search is quite hard to use. You need to be absolutely precise and need to try different variations. So one example of that is frame interpolation. Right, if I type that in, it says it can't find it. Now, actually, it is in there. The reason why I can't find it is because I've written it like that. So if I just get rid of the word frame, I'm now finding the one that I want. So ComfyUI frame interpolation. It's just an example. So if you can't find the node that you're looking for in this version, just try writing your search term in different forms, such as frame, and then maybe it would be somewhere down there in that long list. Anyway, ComfyUI Manager on the desktop version, it is there and it works, but you need to spend a bit of time with it. Okay, so if you've spent a lot of time trying to get ComfyUI to work and you've installed the download for Mac version or the download for Windows version, I sympathize for you because they really are horrible systems to use. And this one is even very limited as well because you can't install the custom nodes that you want to. The best option you have, if you can do it, is to install it from the GitHub releases page. And the best out of all of these is this one here. And for that, you need to have a good Windows PC with a good NVIDIA graphics card. Or you can try and use it on RunPod. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share.